been raining. Look at this tree. This is a Schotia afra, and it's 30 years old next year, and it's never bloomed. It's not happy. I planted it from a seed 30 years ago. It's never had one flower on it. I grew it for its beans, which are supposed to be edible. You roast them or grind them into flour and you can eat them and everything, but it's never had one flower. It's a Schotia afra. It's called Karoo boer-bean in English. It's also called Hottentot bean in English. I think that might be racist to say Hottentot bean. It's also called Karoo boer-bean. It's a mouthful. Karoo boer-bean. Boer-bean. Anyway, it just doesn't bloom. It's never had one single bloom. It drips nectar when it's in bloom, but it's never had even one bloom. Very sad. I've just learnt online though that it can be used as stock feed, so I'm going to start feeding the leaves to that pesky goat. Schotia afra. Let's go and see if the goat wants to eat some. 29 years old. It hasn't 30 years old. It hasn't bloomed. It hasn't bloomed. It's not had one single flower on it, not one. Oh, anyhow, it's been raining, but I'll cut some of these lovely branches off to see if the goat likes them as stock feed. It'll be nice. It's a beautiful tree. It's got beautiful convoluted branches. I'm going to see if Ariadne the goat likes the beautiful leaves. Look at them. Aren't they wonderful? Look. Let's go and see if she likes them. Yeah. Let's see if Ariadne eats some Schotia afra. Do you like it? Look. So that's proof that stock will eat Schotia afra. She seems to be enjoying it. That's handy to know. Yep, it's on the menu. That's good to know. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Well, that's on the menu from now on, definitely. Definitely.